You've been lied to your whole life about what keeps your car healthy, and these 17 myths are quietly destroying your engine faster than you realize. Number 17. Premium fuel is always better. This is one of the most persistent myths in car culture. You've probably seen those ads claiming premium fuel gives your engine more power and efficiency. Many drivers believe this automatically makes their car faster or longer lasting. But here's the reality. Unless your engine specifically requires high-octane fuel, premium gas offers no measurable benefits. Mechanics often report engines with carbon buildup because owners mix fuels randomly, thinking it's better. Using premium unnecessarily is like paying $50 for a coffee when plain water does the same job. Stick to the fuel recommended in your owner's manual and focus on proper oil and maintenance. That's what really protects your engine. Number 16. Idling wastes. Nothing many drivers think letting their engine idle for long periods is harmless, especially on cold mornings. The truth is, idling burns fuel inefficiently, fouls spark plugs, and even wears down engine components over time. Modern engines are designed to warm up quickly while driving gently, not while sitting still. Mechanics often see cars with high mileage on the tachometer, but significant wear because of excessive idling. Instead of letting your engine run while parked, start driving gently. It's faster, more efficient, and better for longevity. Number 15. You don't need to change oil on synthetic. This myth could be quietly destroying your engine. Synthetic oil lasts longer than conventional oil, but longer doesn't mean forever. Many drivers stretch intervals far beyond the manufacturer's recommendation, thinking it's cost-saving. The result? Sludge buildup, clogged filters, and accelerated wear. Always follow your car's recommended oil change schedule. Use quality oil and replace filters on time. This small discipline saves thousands in repairs down the line. Number 14. All motor oils are the same. A classic myth that can kill engines slowly. Not all oils are created equal. Using the wrong viscosity or low-quality oil can cause poor lubrication, overheating, and even catastrophic engine failure. Mechanics see engines ruined because drivers used cheaper is fine thinking. Always check your car manual for the recommended grade and type. Using the right oil ensures proper protection, efficiency, and lifespan. Number 13. You can ignore engine warning lights. Too many drivers dismiss dashboard warnings as minor annoyances. It's probably nothing, they think, but those symbols exist to prevent serious damage. Ignoring a check engine, oil pressure, or temperature warning can lead to expensive repairs, blown engines, or even accidents. The moment a warning light comes on, investigate immediately. Pull over safely, check fluids, or get a professional inspection. Number 12. Bigger engines mean better performance. Not always. Many drivers equate engine size with speed and durability, but modern turbocharged engines are designed for efficiency and power without massive displacement. Overestimating engine size can lead to improper maintenance, excessive fuel use, and neglect of critical systems. Understand your engine's design and maintain it according to manufacturer specs. Size alone won't save a poorly cared for car. Number 11. You should flush your engine every year. This one is a maintenance myth that can backfire. Frequent engine flushes aren't necessary unless recommended. Overflushing can dislodge sludge suddenly, clog oil passages, and even damage seals. Mechanics warn that some car flush products marketed online can do more harm than good. Stick to proper oil changes and use trusted additives if needed. They maintain cleanliness without risk. Number 10. Premium gas improves fuel economy. This is a close cousin of myth number 17, but deserves its own warning. Some drivers spend extra on premium fuel, thinking it boosts mileage. In most cars, it does nothing. The perceived improvement is often placebo. Real fuel economy gains come from driving habits, smooth acceleration, proper tire pressure, and regular maintenance, not expensive fuel. Stop wasting money on myths. Number 9. Idling your car warms the engine faster. Yes, another idling myth, because so many believe it helps longevity. But modern engines are engineered to reach optimal operating temperature quickly while driving. Idling simply wastes fuel and increases wear on components like the catalytic converter. Short drives with gentle acceleration warm the engine safely. Don't let myths trick you into damaging your car daily. Number 8. You must let brakes cool down. Before driving, some drivers think after hard braking or downhill driving, they must wait before continuing. While overheating can be dangerous, modern brake systems are designed to handle heat cycles efficiently. Overcautious waiting is unnecessary for regular driving and won't extend brake life. Focus on proper inspection, pad replacement, and avoiding unnecessary harsh braking. Number 7. Higher RPMs destroy engines instantly. Many avoid higher RPMs fearing immediate damage. The truth? Modern engines are built to handle high RPMs within manufacturer limits. Avoiding them unnecessarily doesn't improve longevity. What truly kills engines is improper maintenance, low-quality oil, and ignoring signs of stress, not a controlled high RPM drive. Understanding your car's red line and driving intelligently is far safer than fearing every rev. Number 6. Cold starts need 10 minutes of idling. A classic that has ruined countless engines. Older cars may have needed this, but modern engines warm efficiently while driving. Excessive idling in cold weather increases fuel consumption, fouls plugs, and accelerates wear. Start driving gently after 30 to 60 seconds of warm-up. Your engine and environment will thank you. Number 5. Manual transmission cars last longer. Not inherently. Longevity depends on maintenance, driving habits, and proper use. Both manual and automatic cars can fail prematurely if fluids are ignored, clutches or torque converters are abused, or engine care is neglected. Don't believe the myth. Focus on disciplined maintenance instead of relying on transmission type for durability. Number 4. Diesel engines never need maintenance. This dangerous myth persists among diesel owners. Diesel engines are robust, but they still require timely oil changes, filter replacements, and injector care. Neglecting these leads to clogged fuel systems, poor performance, and catastrophic engine failure. Trust the schedule, not myths. Number 3. Car washes are harmful. Some avoid car washes, thinking chemicals or brushes will damage paint. While poor quality washes can harm surfaces, regular proper cleaning prevents rust, corrosion, and grime buildup that accelerates wear on exposed metal. Myth believers often let grime accumulate, which actually shortens the life of body panels and undercarriage components. Number 2. You don't need to rotate tires. Ignoring rotation can destroy tires prematurely. Uneven wear affects traction, fuel efficiency, and suspension. Mechanics see cars with high mileage tires destroyed not by age, but by skipped rotations. Rotate every 5,000 to 7,000 miles, or as recommended. It's cheap insurance against unnecessary replacement. Number 1. Stop believing everything online. Here's the final overarching myth. Drivers trust social media, forums, or tips blindly. The internet is full of well-intentioned advice that doesn't apply to your car's make or model. Following myths without verification is how engines quietly deteriorate. Always cross-reference advice, check manuals, and consult trusted mechanics. Knowledge is your real engine protection. Believing these myths isn't just harmless, it actively destroys your vehicle. Each misconception quietly chips away at your engine, suspension, and wallet. Stop listening to myths, follow proper maintenance, and treat your car with discipline. Your engine isn't just metal, it's your investment. Protect it wisely.